Most of our spring flowering bulbs are native to Europe, Western Asia, and the Middle East, and they usually come to us by way of Holland. Well, right down here I've got a spring flowering bulb I want to show you, which is native to South America. This is the spring starflower, and it comes to us from Uruguay and Argentina. But it gives us a cheerful display here in the springtime with these little pale blue star-shaped flowers. An interesting thing about the blue starflower, or Iphion, is the foliage. If you bruise it or brush it, it has a garlic odor to it. The compound or the juice inside the foliage is the same compound that we find in garlic or wild onions. But you don't really smell this out in the garden again unless you're trampling on the plants. The flowers themselves have a slight honey fragrance. Probably the neatest thing about blue starflower is that the plants thrive on neglect. We usually see these growing around abandoned home sites, vacant lots, and areas that don't receive any care whatsoever. In fact, about the only way you could kill this plant would be to overwater it in the summertime or to mow down its foliage before it fades from green to yellow. The plants do go dormant in the summertime, like a lot of our spring bulbs do, but they reappear, or the foliage reappears in the fall and persists through the winter. The plants spread slowly by division like a lot of our other bulbs do, but they also have little runners or little root extensions known as droopers, so they help extend the colony a little further each year. This ability to colonize new soil is one of the things that helps the plant survive in these poor soil areas. They do best out in full sun, but I have seen them perform really well in the shade of deciduous trees. So you might try the spring starflower or Iphion in your garden. Just look for the catalogs, the bulb catalogs that come in the mail in late summer and autumn, and you can order some spring starflower for your garden.